I'm Shreya Sethi and today we are going to study Social Science Civics chapter number 3rd of class 6th. So we are going to start with hard words. First word is enforce. ENFORCE, enforce. Enforce. The meaning of this word is to implement something, right? Enforcement of law. It means implementation of law. Lagu karna. Then agency, agency, agency is a kind of an institution or uh, autonomous body which works for um something. For example, government is a body or a agency, right, which works for the welfare of people. Next is invasion. 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 Meaning of this word is attack. Foreign invasion means foreign attack. The other country which attacks to other country. One country which attacks to other country is so the country to which it is attacking says the foreign invasion. Then natural calamities, natural, natural, calamities, natural calamities. Meaning of this word is a kind of natural disasters like earthquake, volcanic eruption, tsunami, and etc. etc. Right. Next is citizens, citizens, citizens. Now everybody knows the meaning of citizen, but in context to your book, citizen means people who belongs to a particular country because of being born there or being accepted there legally is called citizens. Now territory, territory, territory. Meaning of this word is a kind of state or a boundary of a country or a state is called territory. Assist, 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 ASSISTS, assist. Meaning of this word is to help something, to help someone or to guide someone in their decision making is called assist. Then interested, ENTRUSTED, interested. Meaning of this word to assigning someone a responsibility to do something, right? Trusting someone or to give responsibility to someone to do something is called interested. Then vast, vast, it means a big, a very big. So India is a vast country, it means a big country. There is vast kinds of culture, vast diversity, right? Then there are three levels of a government: central level, state level, and local level. Since last year आप ये पढ़ते हुए आ रहे हो. Then abide, 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 abide. Meaning of this word is to obey the order of someone or follow or act according to a rule or law is called abide. Then prohibition, PROHIBITION, prohibition or prohibiting. Prohibition, it means to ban something, being illegal, like untouchability is ban, is illegal or prohibited. या बोल सकते हैं चाइल्ड लेबर इज बैन, illegal or prohibited. Next is dowry, 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 dowry. Dowry is a kind of practice which was done by ancient people or people before. Even today in some cases it is prevailed by the people. And dowry is a kind of, is a sum of money which a girl brings with her during marriage. Violated, VOILATED, violated, violation. You must have heard this word violation. It means to break something, to break rules, to violate rules. Now democracy. The first one is democracy, DEMOCRACY, democracy. Next one is dictatorship, dictator, dictatorship, dictatorship. And next one is monarchy, monarchy. It's not monarchy, it's monarchy. So democracy, dictatorship and monarchy is form of a government. फर्दर हम इस चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे कि ये कौन कौन से फॉर्म होते हैं और इसके अंडर क्या क्या होता है. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट वन इज मोनार्की, सेकंड फर्स्ट वन वाज डेमोक्रेसी, सेकंड डिक्टेटरशिप एंड थर्ड वन इज मोनार्की. Now, suffragettes, suffragettes, suffragettes. Now, suffragettes during women's suffrage movement. हम पढ़ेंगे क्या होता है. लेट मी टेल यू इन अ ब्रीफ. विमेंस सफरेज मूवमेंट क्या था. जब विमेंस ने अपने राइट्स के लिए स्ट्रगल किया, उस स्ट्रगल को नाम दिया गया विमेंस सफरेज मूवमेंट. और जिन विमेंस ने उसमें पार्ट लिया उन विमेंस को सफरगेट्स कहा गया. So definition can be some women took part took up the courage to demand voting rights for all, and such women are known as suffragettes. ऐसे women को क्या कहा गया, suffragettes कहा गया. Now women suffrage movement मैंने आपको बता दिया है. women suffrage movement क्या है. जब ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड जिन कंट्रीज़ में विमेंस को वोटिंग राइट नहीं था और उन्होंने अपने राइट के लिए क्या किया, स्ट्रगल किया, उस स्ट्रगल को नाम दिया गया विमेन सफरेज मूवमेंट.